Hi everyone, it's Sonia and Nia. We just thought we'd say a few words about our new programme, The Art of Transformative Living, and why it's important to us and what we'll be offering you. So for me, it's really close to my heart because, like most people, I found a lot of the tools and techniques we'll be sharing with you during the programme during a difficult phase in my own life. And I have to say, hand on heart, that I wouldn't have got through the transitions that were going on had I not understood and explored and experimented with a lot of the learning and knowledge I gained during that phase of my life. So I genuinely want to share this with people because I really feel the tools and techniques we'll be talking about can really make profound difference in helping people understand themselves, how they can learn to heal themselves and get more clarity about their life purpose. So why is it important for you?
For me, it's a 2-day culmination of, we've worked it out. It's kind of 15 years experience and knowledge and research each. So it's kind of like a collective 30 years of stuff that we've kind of learned and gleaned and filtered in and out to become more mindful, more self-aware, and also kind of get really grounded. And I think for me, that's really the essence of this first workshop, is to really kind of be so self-aware of both yourself but also of the kind of the world in which you exist and the world in which you operate and live, and those two things have to be really closely aligned. And I think, for me, that's the real beauty of this first workshop, is that it's sharing and exploring all the different tools and techniques that you can use particularly if you're at a real crossroads in your life. And I think, for us, we've kind of figured out, I think, what our kind of core purpose is, and now we're kind of using the various grounding tools to kind of position ourselves so that we can kind of take off into the future. So for me, that's really what it is.
Yeah.
And really excited.
Really excited, yeah. And as you say, the first module is really the foundation of everything else. So all the other modules, the other 7 modules, which will come after, will flourish from the first module, because it is the roots, it is learning about your origin. And yeah, we're not perfect by any means, but we're really honest and real, and that's what I think we can offer you. And we're on the journey with you as well, so we're always evolving. And we just love learning, listening to lots of wonderful teachers, and we glean kind of the best bits of their teachings and give them a shout out, because we really believe in doing that. And then throw in a few of our own tools as well. So the chakra system that we talk about is really the backbone, the skeleton for this program. But so many offshoots of that, wonderful gems of knowledge and exploration. So it's really, really exciting, isn't it?
So check out all the details. Go to mindfulneya.com, mindfulneya.com, if you're not already watching this on the Mindful Neya website, and just look at all the links all over the place for the Art of Transformative Living. And we'd love you to join us on the 28th and 29th of June in Bristol.
Hopefully we'll see you at some point soon.
Great. Thanks for listening.